inequality, we're going to go ahead and graph it. First thing we need to do is put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to start by subtracting x from each side. I get 5y is less than or equal to negative x plus 10. Then I divide each side by 5. And notice I've got to divide this entire side by 5. So each of these things are being divided by 5. So y is less than or equal to negative 1 over 5x, because there was like a 1 in front of the x, negative 1 over 5, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now, I know this is going to be a closed circle because it is less than or equal to, which means it's going to be a solid line. And now I can graph it using my slope and my y-intercept. My y-intercept is 2. My slope is negative 1/5, which means I go down 1 over 5. Remember, we always go to the right. And now I've got my line. It's a solid line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw in my solid line, which isn't perfect, okay, but it'll work. And now I'm going to test a point. Easiest point to test is always 0, 0. So I'm going to take y is less than or equal to negative 1/5 x plus 2. I'm going to plug 0 in for y. And I'm going to plug 0 in for x. So I get 0 is less than or equal to 0 times negative 1/5 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. Is 0 less than 2? It absolutely is, so that's true. So I'm going to shade on the same side. And again, any point that's shaded would be included in my answer, as well as any point on this line would be included. Since it's a solid line, all of these points are included in my answer. So for example, 5, 1 would be an answer to this problem. 0, 2 would be an answer to this problem because they're included because it is a solid line.